Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We are talking about the PERM process. Now, what's the basic procedure? What's the first thing that needs to be done? Well, the employer must register, and that doesn't mean the attorney for the employer. It is the employer. So emails will go directly to the employer from the Department of Labor in order to begin the registration process. If the employer essentially doesn't do or ignores those emails, then it can't be done electronically. Everything will have to be done via paper, normal mail, and it will lengthen the process considerably. So make sure that your employer is on the watch for those emails because there's only a certain time to answer them. Now, only an employee or owner of the employer entity may register to use the permanent online system for electronic filing of the labor certification applications. So the actual form number is called 9089 or ETA 9089. It's all electronically completed. So to register, the employer must go to the proper website, which happens to be icert.doleta.gov. It is the portal system for the employers. The registration must be submitted by an individual at the company that has actual hiring authority for the employer and not just basically a secretary at the front desk who doesn't have that particular capabilities. So now the employer may create a sub-account for the attorneys of the perm process of the employer, which is good because we like to get in and help, but we can't do it at the beginning. They want to make sure that you are a real employer and you are really registering. So when you get in there, create the sub account for the attorney. Now, keep in mind that registrations which are submitted by non-employers will be canceled or denied. So do not have your attorney do it for you. This is one of those cases. It must be done by yourself. And then once filed, then the Department of Labor is aware that the employer is real and they can continue on to the next step. Okay, more in the coming videos.